Here's a pair of the Powerbeats Pro 2 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone I'm using here, it's an older phone. It's a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So the first thing we should do is put the earbuds in the pairing mode. So both the buds are in a case. Let's open these up. I'll know that this is pairing mode if I see the light here blinking white, or if I hear the pairing chime. Okay, I get like a solid white light here. The reason why for me is because I think I'm connected to another phone near me. So for myself, let me manually put this in a pairing mode. Okay, so both the buds are in a case. You have that little button in the case right there. I'm just going to press and hold for like a few seconds until I see it blinking white here. Okay, so the button's right here. Ready, set, go. Just press and hold. There you go. And it starts blinking white, and you hear that. That's that pairing noise chime. So we're in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our Android phone here. We're going to go to settings. So settings, and then on this phone, we want to go to connections. We're going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. And now that little spinny thing right there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, and it'll show up under available devices under here, okay? These are still in the pairing mode. It's blinking blue, and it did find the Powerbeats Pro right there, so we'll tap on that. Should get a pairing request for Android phones. Tap on pair. And I just heard the connecting chime, and we are connected, ready to go. You can see it right there. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.